If you want to record your exercise by using Google Pixel Watch 3, then you've got two methods. The first one, you will have to simply click on the Crown button to open All Apps menu, and you can use the Google Fit workouts. If you actually download Google Fit on your watch, you can click here and now you get access to the recent and the most popular workouts. But also we can go for the other workouts, and here you can find a list of all available workouts. The second way is to open the settings one more time and go for Fitbit exercise. And here it looks basically the same, the most popular exercises and then all exercises list. So now you can, for example, tap to run. We have to grant the permission, and after the GPS will be connected, yes, in this device you can find GPS. You don't have to take your phone with you don't have to take your phone outside. You can just stay with the watch. Then you can click here and start, for example, running. And as you can see, that's how it looks. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.